your hand all the way through the shot, right? But you're going to start the racket about head high, right? Pretty high. Good one. Again. That's it. Do again. That's it. Again. Yes, that's it. Nice one. There you go. That's it. Good. Good one. Yes. Good. Good. Oh, sorry. You're probably out of the camera on that one. Too bad. That was a good shot. Good one, Al. Yeah. Okay. Good. Nice. All the way through. Good. Swing all the way through. Great. Good. That's it. Okay, now close the racket and do the same thing. Close it, come through. Great. See it? That's it. Close it. Good, Al. Good. Keep it up. Better. Good. Close it. Oh, almost. Keep the racket up. Good. Keep the racket up. Close it. Go through. Good. Close it. Oops. Okay. It's all right. Okay. Okay. There you go. Good. Now close it a little more. Yes. Again. That's it. Keep it up. Through. Good, Al. Keep it up. Through. Good. Close it. Up. Good. Up. That's it. Good. Good one. That's it. The low one. Wow, almost. That's good.